Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov 111 here with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful, beautiful knife, guys. I need to say it, it's huge. This is overall 9.75 inches. Handle is 5.25, the blade is 4.25 inch long. It's gorgeous, but huge. It's carbon fiber scales with that liner lock. It's beautifully done, guys. Really, really cool. M390 steel with a almost full flat grinder, just a little bit of fuller going on and a little bit of flat right over here, but it's amazing. It's just beautifully, beautifully done. Nice stone wash finish. Sound unique. Only this Shiro is able to emitting this sound. Just beautiful. In the pocket, this guy is gonna weigh in at 5.2 ounces. It has a really cool 3D mill titanium pocket clip. Ergos are just phenomenal, just perfect. It stays in the hand like beautifully. Very, very nicely done. Zero hot spots. Absolutely smooth. This guy is running on multi-row bearings, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.